Ladies and gentlemen, marvelous, marvelous market open, flawless Fibonacci morning once again. Here we go. This is the Fibonacci collapse where we are on many points later. Who cares how many points? The only thing we care about is crucial Fibonacci levels. Pay attention as shared by the students in the room. Marvelous, marvelous, flawless short from decision point 2. When we came to the markets, we shorted a drastically later place, and I said we're in very aggressive area. We had been tortured forever. And here we are. This price is about 7-8 points later at decision point 2, finding very big bounce between two levels. Decision point 2 is extremely important level on S&P as we're watching on monthly chart. 1800 number, spelled out by the price since 2009. This spelled out by the price at the time of the entry, proving to you time and time again that the only thing you ever need to know in trading and investing is Fibonacci numbers and how to use them properly. To use Fibonacci randomly, to use Fibonacci speculatively will never work. Fibonacci is phenomenal symmetry that's found in everything that surrounds us in nature, in flowers, in reflection in the mirror, and in price. And 8 years later, since the day I started questioning what is happening with the market, I could not be more clear on where price heading, where price ending, and it don't matter if it's S&P baby chart or if it's Netflix monthly that's crashing and burning. 85 will be very temporary bounce. Price comes to reversal zone, get the heck out of your investment, get the heck out of your trade. Netflix already crashed and burned. How much? About 40%, as expected. And this is where S&P yearly is. In exact same place. But dancing and respecting decision point 2, just like baby chart on S&P. Many points later. What you trade is up to you. It doesn't matter if it's euro that's stuck in worthless correction for the last year. Ouch. Euro. Don't you wish the world would be a marvelous place, because we Americans will no longer be poor for many years to come. This is temporary worthless bullish correction. This is where euro will crash and burn 283 and 60 next. All spelled out by the price far in advance. And if you knew and understand euro in 2013, you were shorting and shorting euro when euro came to reversal zone. Here's euro reversal zone, euro 3800. Euro currently at 1, and 1 is only halfway through. And that's the magic of the price and Fibonacci. You want to be like Preston? 10 points out. Great day. If you want to be like William, that's a magic. Another 9.5 points. Another 4 points. What you trade is up to you. Cameron, 7.5 points. This is knowledge, this is power, and that's why I live and breathe what I do. My students become my dearest friends. And that's all that matters to me. Everything else, frankly, background noise. What a flawless ride. Pay attention. Reversals on a little baby chart, end of minor trend on our guiding light hourly. What a flawless Fibonacci ride. All preset in a price since last week, playing out in front of you right now. If you browse social media or my YouTube channel, you would see all this level been posted everywhere forever. And my favorite level is reversal zone. The lower the price goes, more fun I will have, as I adore and worship reversal zone. Right now, bearish trend at the end of the minor trend. Right now, bearish trade reached reversal zone. 12, 13 points later. And that's the magic of the price and Fibonacci. So as much as I wish it was a negative trade, because it's darn ridiculous to see only one negative trade this month, this is the last trading day of the month, tomorrow devoted to Fibonacci. This is trade number 29. 28 trades reached key targets, as you're witnessing time and time again. Every trade, different stop, different target. Correct? Let's pay attention to the price next. Thank you, Jean. How many points? 5 pre-market, 4 aftermarket. Thank you, Jean. It means everything to me. Another 9 points. And that's the power of Fibonacci and knowledge. Patience and discipline. Combination of all those factors is what creates this kind of results. Knowledge is power in everything in life. Knowledge is especially power in trading. All the other stuff, indicators and fundamentals, soap opera and video games. That should be the title of my next article. Indicators and CNBC. Video games and soap operas of the financial markets. Turn it off. Pay attention to the price and magic will happen. Almost 20 points later, S&P is crashing and burning through the end of the minor trend, giving us pullback of about 4 points. Trail adjusting closer right outside of reversal zone, 1878. 25 points later. Happy January 28th, as expected. 25 points later. What a flawless Fibonacci month it was. What a marvelous reminder. If you play by the rules, you're not calling and crying to me how much money you lost on Apple. Because you know extremely well you should not be long Apple. You know extremely well why Apple collapsed. This is the image of Apple. As you could see, reversal zone from the upside, Apple collapsed all the way to 93. This is the reversal zone to the downside. So, you know Fibonacci levels, you would be out of Apple, you would not be losing 35%. If you know Fibonacci levels, you would not be long in this market, you would be out completely, as S&P dancing in endless bearish correction. You also would be absolutely shorting time and time again Netflix. You don't want to be long Netflix, as Netflix in free fall, as expected. That's what happens when price comes to reversal zone. Here we go. Very pure and very simple. Out of this lovely 25-point collapse on S&P, for one simple reason. Reversal zone had been reached. Just like reversal zone on Netflix had been reached. Just like reversal zone on S&P had been reached. Just like Apple reversal zone reached. Get the heck out of your investment. Get the heck out of your trade. Doesn't matter what you trade. Formula remains the same. It's been absolutely flawless Fibonacci months. And if you know Fibonacci levels and if you know the formula, you know everything is in front of you. You know where the volume is, you know where the strength is, you know where to enter, you know where to exit. Everything preset in price far in advance by Fibonacci. Fundamentals are background noise, and I will prove this time and time and time again. Outside of the trading room hours, you know the rules. Price collapses to reversal zone, you know what to do. Right now, to the upside, pay attention to 1876. And that's how magical price is. What you trade is your choice. So, as much as I tried to take negative trades this month, while demonstrating the method to you on short-term charts S&P, this is quite a lovely Fibonacci start to New Year. So if you would like to join us, course starts from scratch tomorrow morning. All the information on the website. Please do not contact me without reviewing the information. If you're interested in group course, simply sign up on the website. Support needs to change the date to February 1st, and you will be in the class tomorrow morning. You will be learning why there is such a drastic difference in volume that's in front of your chart. Course is ongoing. You have access to manual, you have access to modules. If you want to sign up for private mentoring, pretty please call me first or email me first. I want to make sure that I can work with your schedule and you can work with mine. You serious about price? You serious about Fibonacci? No reason to delay. Because what's happening in the markets right now happens only every 5 to 8 years. And if you listen to the students, you would see very clearly. If beginner trader could accomplish this much in short time, highly encourage you listen to Gian. And as students continue updating and sharing their stories, as you saw in the room today, very typical. You learn the rules, I teach you how to fish, and you go get the fish. And if what kind of fish you're catching is your choice. Are you trading options, or are you trading forex, or are you a day trader? Choice is yours. Learn the formula and apply it to the markets. That's all there is. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits.